Imagine starting with just a simple idea and a small investment, and in no time, scaling it to a 7-figure business. That's exactly what Tanner J. Fox did with Amazon FBA. From humble beginnings, Tanner transformed his passion for online selling into a $1 million Amazon FBA store, and has since inspired thousands with his journey. And guess what? He's not the only one. Many are tapping into the potential of Amazon FBA and witnessing transformative results. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Amazon FBA. We'll guide you step by step from setting up your store to mastering advanced scaling strategies. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned seller, this guide has got you covered. With the e-commerce landscape evolving rapidly, there's no better time to harness the power of Amazon FBA. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is Amazon FBA exactly? Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a game-changing service offered by Amazon that allows sellers like you and me to store our products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. But it's not just about storage. Once a customer places an order, Amazon takes care of the entire fulfillment process, from picking and packing the product to shipping it out and even handling customer service or returns. Essentially, Amazon does a lot of the heavy lifting, allowing sellers to focus on what they do best, finding great products and marketing them to the customers that need them the most. Now, you might be wondering, why should I use Amazon FBA? Well, the benefits are numerous. Firstly, it offers Prime eligibility for your products, which can significantly boost your sales on Amazon, given how many Prime members there are out there. Secondly, it lends credibility to your store as customers trust Amazon's shipping and customer service, which means they're more likely to buy products sold via FBA. And let's not forget about the global reach. With Amazon FBA, you can easily tap into international markets without the logistical nightmares you would encounter if you were to try and figure out fulfillment yourself. But here's the real kicker. The e-commerce landscape is booming, and Amazon continues to dominate the scene. In 2023, with more people shopping online than ever before, leveraging Amazon FBA can position your business for exponential growth. It's not only a fulfillment service, it's a strategic move to place your products in front of millions of eager customers. Product research and selection. Finding the right product to sell on Amazon FBA is like finding a needle in a haystack, but with the right approach, that needle shines a little brighter. Start by browsing Amazon's best sellers list to get a glimpse into what's currently trending. But it's not just about what's popular now, it's about anticipating what could be popular in the future. Tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 are invaluable in this quest, helping you to identify products with high demand but low competition, those hidden gems waiting to be discovered. We'll have those linked in the video description below. But don't just stop at identifying a potential product. Dive deep into understanding the market for it. Is it a seasonal item? Will there be consistent demand for it throughout the year? One of the best ways to get insights is by reading customer reviews of similar products. These reviews are more than just feedback. They're a window into what customers love, what they don't, and what they wish was better. In our digital age, you're never alone in your product research journey. Beyond Jungle Scout and Helium 10, tools like Viral Launch offer features that can help you analyze competition, estimate sales, and ensure you're on the right track. Remember, in the world of Amazon FBA, it's not just about finding a product to sell. It's about finding the right product that resonates, meets a specific market need, and positions you for success. Setting up your Amazon FBA store. Setting up your Amazon FBA store is a crucial step in your e-commerce journey. And while it might seem daunting at first, with the right guidance, it's a breeze. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Start by creating an Amazon seller account. Choose the Fulfillment by Amazon option during the setup. Remember, there's a choice between individual and professional accounts, so pick what suits your selling goals. We'll have a detailed breakdown of both account types linked in the video description, but in short, unless you're making less than 40 sales per month, you'll most likely need to upgrade to a professional account. Step 2. Once your account is set up, it's time to list your products. This is where attention to detail matters. Craft compelling product titles, write detailed descriptions, and ensure your product images are high quality and showcase different angles. Think of your product listing as your storefront. It's the first thing customers see, so make it count. Step 3. Branding is key. Even though you're selling on Amazon, having a consistent brand image can set you apart from competitors. This includes a memorable store name, a catchy logo, and even branded packaging if possible. Pro tip: use Amazon's enhanced brand content feature if you're brand registered. It allows you to enhance your product descriptions with additional images, text placements, and a unique brand story. Remember, the way you present your store and products plays a significant role in attracting and retaining customers. It's not just about selling a product, it's about selling an experience. And with Amazon FBA, you have all the tools at your disposal to create a store that not only looks professional, but also drives sales. Pricing and profit margins. Navigating the world of pricing on Amazon FBA can feel like walking a tightrope. On one side, you have the allure of competitive pricing to attract customers, and on the other, the need to maintain healthy profit margins to sustain and grow your business. So how do you strike the right balance? First and foremost, it's essential to have a deep understanding of your costs. This includes not only the cost of the product itself, but also Amazon's fees, shipping, packaging, and any other associated expenses. Tools like the Amazon FBA Revenue Calculator can be a lifesaver here, giving you a clear picture of potential fees and profits for any given product. We'll have it linked in the video description. Once you have a good grasp on your costs, you can strategize your pricing. While it might be tempting to undercut competitors, it's vital to ensure that you're not sacrificing your profit margins. Instead, focus on providing added value, whether it's through superior product quality, exceptional customer service, or unique product bundles. This way, you can justify a slightly higher price point while still remaining competitive. Lastly, always keep an eye on the market. Monitor your competitors. Stay updated on industry trends, and adjust your pricing strategy as needed. Remember, in the dynamic world of e-commerce, flexibility and adaptability are key. By staying informed and making data-driven decisions, you can maximize your profits while ensuring your products remain attractive to potential customers. Advanced strategies for scaling. Scaling your Amazon FBA business is not just about selling more, it's about leveraging every opportunity to maximize your reach and revenue. As your business grows, manual management can become a daunting task. Enter automation. Tools like Seller Labs, Feedback Wiz, and Manage by Stats can streamline various aspects of your business, from inventory management to order processing. These tools not only save you time, but also reduce the risk of errors, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. But automation is just the tip of the iceberg. To truly scale, consider expanding your product lines. Start by analyzing your best-selling products. Can you offer complementary products? Or perhaps a variation in size, color, or features? Diversifying your product range can open doors to new customer segments and increase your average order value. Another avenue for growth is Amazon affiliate marketing. By promoting products related to your FBA inventory on your blog, social media, or website, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. It's a win-win. You provide valuable content and recommendations to your audience while earning extra revenue. Plus, it's a fantastic way to cross-promote your own FBA products and drive more traffic to your Amazon listings. We'll have a link in the description to free Amazon affiliate training if you want to learn more. Considering international expansion is also key. If you're currently selling in the US, why not venture into Amazon UK, Canada, or Australia? Each market has its nuances, so it's important to do thorough research, understand local demand, and tailor your strategy to the unique makeup of each market. Lastly, the power of customer reviews and feedback is undeniable. Positive reviews boost your product's visibility and conversion rate on Amazon. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and address negative feedback promptly. By building a strong reputation, you increase trust and improve your standing in Amazon's algorithm, leading to more organic traffic and sales. Common mistakes and solutions. Navigating the Amazon FBA landscape can be a rewarding journey, but it's not without its challenges. Many new sellers often fall into common traps that can hinder their growth, or even lead to financial losses. Let's uncover some of these pitfalls and how you can steer clear of them. One of the most common mistakes is neglecting product research. Jumping on a product trend without thorough market analysis can result in overstocked inventory and wasted investment. Always validate product demand, analyze competition, and forecast sales before making any purchasing decisions. Another frequent error is underestimating Amazon's fees. From the referral fees to storage costs, it's crucial to factor in all expenses to accurately calculate your profit margins. Utilize Amazon's fee calculators and always keep an updated record of your costs. Poor product listings can also be a major setback. A lackluster product title, unclear images, or an incomplete description can deter potential buyers. Invest time in crafting compelling listings, use high-quality images, and incorporate relevant keywords to improve visibility. And with tools like ChatGPT making it easier than ever to refine your product titles and descriptions, there's really no excuse not to make sure they're top-notch. Additionally, neglecting customer service can harm your seller reputation. Promptly address customer inquiries, handle returns professionally, and actively seek feedback to continuously improve. Happy customers can be some of the most valuable assets of your business. Lastly, many sellers overlook the importance of continuous learning. The e-commerce landscape is ever-evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work today. Stay updated with Amazon's policies, industry trends, and best practices. Consider joining Amazon seller forums or attending workshops to gain insights and learn from fellow sellers. Real-life success stories. Success in the Amazon FBA world isn't just a myth, it's a reality for many sellers who have harnessed the platform's potential. Let's explore some inspiring real-life success stories and uncover the strategies they employed, the challenges they faced, and the key takeaways we can learn from their journeys. First up is Cherie Demelin, who started her FBA journey selling eco-friendly kitchen products. With a passion for sustainability, Cherie identified a gap in the market for reusable beeswax wraps. Through meticulous product research and a strong branding strategy, she was able to carve a niche for herself. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Cherie faced challenges with counterfeit products and had to navigate Amazon's brand registry to protect her brand. Her key takeaway? Branding is crucial, and protecting your brand should be a top priority. Next, we have Raj Patel, a tech enthusiast who ventured into selling tech accessories on Amazon. Raj's success came from his commitment to quality and customer feedback. He would regularly update his products based on customer reviews, ensuring he always met their needs. Raj's challenge was the ever-evolving tech industry, with new gadgets releasing frequently. His strategy? Stay updated with tech trends and be ready to pivot when necessary. And lastly, let's talk about Sofia Rodriguez, who found success selling handmade jewelry. Sofia's unique designs and personal touch in packaging made her products stand out. However, managing inventory for handmade items was a challenge. Sofia's solution was to offer limited-time collections, creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Her takeaway? Unique selling propositions can set you apart, but managing inventory efficiently is key. These stories highlight the diverse paths to success in the Amazon FBA world. While each seller faced unique challenges, their resilience, adaptability, and commitment to delivering value were consistent factors in their success. The future of Amazon FBA. The e-commerce landscape is ever-evolving, and Amazon FBA is no exception. As we look ahead, several emerging trends and upcoming features promise to reshape the way sellers operate on the platform. One significant trend is the increasing emphasis on sustainability. Amazon is pushing for more eco-friendly packaging and sustainable product options. As a seller, it's crucial to consider the environmental impact of your products and packaging. Not only is it good for the planet, but eco-conscious consumers are also more likely to support brands that prioritize sustainability. Another trend is the rise of international markets. While Amazon.com remains a dominant force, platforms like Amazon India, Amazon Mexico, and Amazon Australia are experiencing rapid growth. Diversifying and expanding into these markets can open up new opportunities for sellers. In terms of upcoming features, Amazon is investing heavily in its logistics network. With the expansion of Amazon Prime Air and drone delivery, we can expect even faster shipping times in the near future. This will raise customer expectations, and sellers will need to ensure that they can meet these demands. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning are also playing a more prominent role in Amazon's ecosystem, from chatbots for customer service to predictive analytics for inventory management. Leveraging these technologies can give sellers a competitive edge. To stay updated with these changes, it's essential to regularly check Amazon's official announcements, participate in seller forums, and consider joining Amazon's own training programs, like the Amazon Selling Partner University, which we'll have linked in the video description. The wrap-up. As we wrap it up, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We dove deep into the world of Amazon FBA, understanding its mechanics and the immense potential that it holds in the e-commerce landscape. We walked through the steps of product research, pricing strategies, and even touched on advanced scaling techniques. Along the way, we highlighted the importance of staying updated with emerging trends and adapting to the ever-evolving Amazon ecosystem. The success stories that we discussed are a testament to the opportunities Amazon FBA offers. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned seller, there's always room to grow, innovate, and succeed. So if you've been on the fence about starting your Amazon FBA journey, now is the time to dive in and explore the possibilities. If you found this guide insightful, please do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps us a lot. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more in-depth content just like this. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or questions about Amazon FBA, so please drop a comment down below. And if you think this video could benefit someone you know, don't hesitate to share it with them. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best in your Amazon FBA journey.